Thank you for joining us again here at HockeyUs.com. One of the skates we're going to be reviewing for you today is the Bauer Vapor 25. This skate is a mid-price point skate. It's been out on the market now for about 2 years. First thing that we're going to start off with is the boot construction. It's made out of a nylon basket weave. Bauer calls it basket weave construction. And basically, it's nylon, basically almost like a ballistic nylon. That's on the inside of there. And if you look, they do what they call an X weave pattern on here, or an X pattern. If you look at the back of the skate, you're going to see the X here. And what that does is that helps out with forward flex, and also helps. I don't know if you can really see it. I'll go a little closer here. These are little rib patterns that they have in here, and that gives you support inside the boot itself by having those raised ribs. On the inside, they call this a grip liner, this little felt material here. Not in previous models that they had, like in the Bauer Vapor 20, used to have a true grip liner, which was pretty much the same material that the footbed on the inside is made out of. That's called an Insta-Dry grip footbed liner, which they're still using inside of the skate here. Comes in a two-piece. Put out this way, two-piece felt tongue, which means basically they make a left and a right to the tongue, seam it back together, and then they put an insert, plastic insert here to help you with lace bite. Again, they went with the anatomical form toe cap. If you look here, you can actually see how it would be shaped like a foot, your big toe and everything. It's really nice because it gives you a little bit more toe room as far as width and also height with the skate. The blade that they used on here, again, it was pretty much incorporated through a lot of Bauer's line, is the Tuke Light Speed 2. And this is a really nice blade. It's nice, lightweight, very accessible through a screw that goes, or a bolt that goes in through the back of the skate back here. And more or less a few turns of the wrench, blade pops out and back on. You can get the skate on and off the ice with a new blade on it within 5 minutes being sharpened and all. This is a really nice package that they put on here. They put a little plastic piece, or I should say a rubber piece, on here to help with some of the skate cuts, and also with abrasion wear and all that kind of stuff. This skate is not a super light skate. Again, it's a mid-weight skate. It's fully heat moldable, and this is the Bauer Vapor 25. And again, I think coming up in the near future, you're going to see the Nike symbol coming off a lot of the products, because Bauer was sold out to a private individual. So I believe within the next year or so, the change would be strictly just Bauer, not Nike Bauer. We're going to review this here for you now. The boot structure. Since this is one of Bauer's mid-level skates, and it's made off a two-piece last, which is kind of like their traditional skates have been made in the past years, I'm going to give this, as far as boot structure, a 5, because it's still keeping with Bauer's tradition. Comfort, I'm going to give it a 4. It is a real nice, lightweight, comfortable skate. Again, durability, I'm going to give it another 4. This basket weave material that they have made out of this, besides it looking a little on the dirty side, it has held up very, very well as far as skate cuts and abrasions. Performance, we'll give it another 5. We've had a few people that have worn these skates for the last couple of years, and more or less have never had anything wrong with them. The holder, 5. I think Bauer kind of holds the market. Everybody wants Light Speed 2 holders on their skates. Visual looks, we'll give it a 4. I think they could dress it up a little bit more, make it look like the Vapor 30, which sold really, really well. And then weight, I'm going to give it a 3, because it's not the lightest skate on the market. Again, we'd ask you to go to our website, HockeyUs.com, become a member, and help us with your input on the skate, or any of the products that we have located on there. And this way you can help us rate most of our products. Again, thank you for joining us here at HockeyUs.com.